When I tried to add the plugin, I suddenly ran into an error. Page not found. Even when I tried accessing it through a different link, it still didn't work. If you are experiencing the same issue, make sure to watch this video until the end. I'll show you the solution. Let's check it out. There are several possible reasons why the Add Plugin page shows an error. First possibility, you are not logged in as an administrator. So the first thing we need to check is whether your user role is set to administrator. If you can see the All Users menu in the sidebar, and you can find your current username list as an administrator, then this is not the issue. Alright, let's move on to the second possibility. Second possibility, restriction in the wp-config file. There might be a line of code in the wp-config file that looks like this. This line disables the Add menu option for plugins and themes. To check this, we need to log in to cPanel. Go ahead and log in, then open File Manager, and navigate to your WordPress root directory. If you only have one domain on your hosting, this is usually the public HTML folder. In my case, I have multiple domains, so the location may be different. Now, right-click the wp-config file and choose Edit. Search for disallow file modes. Oh, turns out the line isn't there. So this is not the problem either. Third possibility, incorrect file permissions. Next, let's check the file permission for the plugin folder. For WordPress plugins, the recommended permissions are 7554 folders, 6444 files inside them. It is important for both security and functionality. Open the WP content folder, then right-click the plugins folder. As you can see, the folder permission already correct. Let's also check the index file. Those permissions look good too, so this is not the issue. Next possibility, incorrect htaccess configuration. Now let's check the htaccess file. It should be located in the WordPress root directory. If you don't see it, it's probably hidden by default. To show it, click Settings in the File Manager and check Show Hidden Files. There it is, the htaccess file. Right-click it and choose Edit. This is what it currently looks like. We are going to reset the htaccess content to the default WordPress configuration. Open your browser, search for the default WordPress htaccess code, and click the result from the official WordPress website. Copy the code, then go back to htaccess file in cPanel. Select all, delete the existing content, paste the new code, and don't forget to save the file. Now refresh the Add Plugin page. It's still showing the error. Final possibility, corrupted WordPress core files. To fix this, we will replace the existing WordPress system files with fresh ones. Go to WordPress org and download the latest version of WordPress. The download may take a moment. Once it's done, upload the file through File Manager. Then extract it. Inside the extracted WordPress folder, you will see fresh WordPress files. Now delete these two folders from your site root directory, wp-admin and wp-include. Then open the extracted WordPress folder and copy those two folders into your WordPress root directory to replace them. Once that's done, refresh the Add Plugin page again. Boom! This time it works. How about you? And which step did it work for you? Or are you still having issues? Share your experience in the comment below. Hope this tutorial helped.